Hi guys, today I'm gonna be going to the chicken and chip shop, and I just came back from school, so we're gonna go now. And I'm holding the money, so I need to get a jacket, maybe like something that has pockets. So I'll be back. So sorry I keep looking in the wrong direction. I don't like looking at the camera. Okay, let's go. And again, I have 15 minutes. So, okay. I'll be back when I get to the Jeep block. So I said I was gonna wait until I get to the Jeep block. Look what happened to my edges, guys. They were slaying before I went to school. Now look at them. So the chicken and chip store is far. And it's only been a few weeks since I've been coming home by myself. So yeah, so it's been 1 minute. But yeah, once I get my food, that's when I'm gonna end the video. But yeah, if someone asks me to buy them cigarettes, I will run for my knife because I know what's gonna happen. They're going to start chasing me with a knife, and it's not gonna be good. Thank God there's many polices there. So yeah. So let's head there. So I'm gonna be walking. Chicken and chip shop.
Huh?
Chicken and chip shop.
Where?
Come with me. I have money.
Sure.
Yes.
So I go to take a bag to bring to center to give for Amako and the what? At the Anna.
I come back from school.
Huh? You didn't see them?
No.
What?
Okay. My uncle's here, so he's gonna take me. No, you stay here. I go. So I'm actually gonna be going by myself now because I wanna experience it. Because I need to learn how to go places by myself. But that's my favorite uncle, so guys, there's so much traffic. But yeah, 15 minutes maximum. But guys, I'm gonna record a video. I'm not gonna post it, I'm just gonna record a video longer than 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna fix the problem so I can do it longer than 15 minutes. And yeah, bro, it's green. Right. Cars were still going and it was green. So guys, I'm walking fast because I'm not trying to have someone ask me for cigarettes because it happened to my brother's friend. So basically he was coming. So basically he was going back home, and then some guy asked him for cigarettes, to buy him cigarettes, but he didn't have money. Like, why would he buy him cigarettes? So then he pulled out a knife and then he started chasing him with the knife. And yeah, guys, isn't this a cute place? Like, I want to record a shorts here. Look at all the trees. Nature. No way, I just stepped on a snail. Okay, I didn't. Thank God. Snails are cute, guys. So look, I just passed Sainsbury's. I keep coughing, bruh. But the one that's very next to my house decides to be closed and changes to a different shop. So we have to go to one way further. It's been 4 minutes and I'm so close to it. I mean, medium. So I thought my uncle was following me. Oh, this is the dangerous road. I need to be careful. Oh, police. I need to be careful. Okay. road is closed because of this accident. Like, bruh. So, halfway there, and I'm so hot in the jacket, but I have there's so much stuff happening. Traffic first, I experience, then police, something smashed, I don't even know. Now ambulance, look at, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but that is dangerous. The guy is lying down on the stretcher. Okay, bike. Was he riding a bike and crashed into a car? Okay. Almost there. Okay. Oh, there's police as well. Look. I don't know if you can see it, but okay, it's a bike accident. I can tell because they were holding the bike. It's so hot, guys. It's been 6 minutes and I'm literally basically here. Oh, more police cars. Come on, come on. So the reason why I was scared to come here because I was scared that someone was going to take me, because usually when I go home by myself from school, it's like it's normal. I take the bus. It's not really that scary because my friend is there. We live in the same apartment. Yeah. Okay. We are here. Okay. Molly's. Love that shop. 7 minutes. Decent. Okay, there's a lot of people here, so I'm gonna. Okay, we got the food. Finally, we can head back. Oh. Sorry, guys, I dropped breath. Give me a sec. Sorry. I let go of the handle. Then I thought I was about to drop all my food. As I was about to say, if I dropped all that food, I would have ate it off the floor. Just joking, just joking. So we are heading back home. It's been 18 minutes. I think we can make it. Okay, so I'm gonna go behind this car. It's fine. 8 minutes. I hope we can make it. Guys, I am walking. I'm walking. Fast, guys, fast. Because of incident.
You want to spoil my bike, man? Huh? Why you want to spoil my bike for that? How are you? Man, just look off a bike, man, right? Just off a bike.
Okay. Okay. 9 minutes, I don't think we can make it anymore. Bro, then I have to cross that. Oh, then I have to cross the traffic light. When we get to like 14 minutes, and at 50 seconds I'm gonna end the video. We're at 9 minutes. It's time, 5 minutes more. I have to get there. saw a girl from year 6 that asked me to use my friend's bracelet. Not my fault, it was her decision. My legs are burning. I'm getting a workout in, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna go all the way to the other traffic light. Just because why not? Okay. I don't know if we can make it, guys. I'm scared. I'm not gonna make it anyway, so let me take a rest. Okay, let's keep going. Someone just knocked on the window. I don't know if you guys heard it. So unprofessional of them. Oh, bruh, did I seriously have the trip? Did I seriously have the trip? 11 minutes, 20 seconds. Don't scare me like that. Oh, I'm getting tired of these things that scare me. Like, bro. Okay. We are literally here. And we're at basically 12 minutes. Basically 12 minutes. Okay, we're at the place. Let's pretend that I'm coming back from Sainsbury's. Okay? Okay. Right here. Gonna go. Okay. Scared me. Thought I was gonna get run over by a car. Thankfully I didn't. Thankfully they pressed the button already. There is bad traffic. Guys, I'm not even joking with you, there's bad traffic. 12 minutes. Wait, I can't see. 12 minutes, 30 seconds. And we made it. That was a workout for me. Have you ever walked like very, very fast? Then it hurts your legs? Annoying feeling. Annoying. Okay. Oh, fine. Bro, there's so much traffic that our car was literally in the middle of the road when it was green. Like, oh. Okay, that was my, like, I don't even have ADHD, and look at how much, and I made that funny sound. We are here. 13 minutes. We're gonna make it. Right. I thought the car was gonna crash into me. You need to learn how to slow down, my guy. Like broski be goes so fast. And there's my uncle still there after 14 minutes. Okay, anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Anyways, guys, bye.